Every language has those aspects to it that are not readily explainable by laymen such as myself. For instance, in English, it is not everyone who can explain why the past tense of dive is dived, but that of drive is drove, or why the plural of fox is foxes, but that of ox is oxen. Again, can anybody explain why we have one child but many children? I doubt that. In fact, the explanation is not even important. We just accept these things as they are. There are such things in the Tswana language as well. We are going to look at such instances from this lesson forward. There are several ways of saying the pronoun me, for instance, in Setswana. We shall look at one of those ways just now. The equivalent of let me in Setswana is e, re, ke. Once you start your phrase with e, re, ke, the verb will no longer end with an a, but with an e. Here are the examples. E, re, ke, tsoge. Let me wake up. E, re, ke, tsamaye. Let me go. E, re, ke, duele. Let me pay. E, re, ke, bone. Let me see. E, re, ke, tlhalose. Let me explain. E, re, ke, dumedise. Let me greet. E, re, ke, palame. Let me climb. E, re, ke, simolole. Let me start. E, re, ke, tle. Let me come. E, re, ke, bereke. Let me work.